Howdy, Wall Street Willie. What is pet insurance? Pet insurance is a health insurance policy for your pets, primarily dogs and cats. It's designed to cover a portion of the expensive pet-related medical costs, like those for illness, accidental injury, chronic conditions, prescription medication, surgery, and more. Just like your own health insurance, you pay a monthly premium to an insurance provider in exchange for coverage of specific pet-related expenses. The exact coverage varies by plan. Some policies only cover emergencies, while others include preventive care, illnesses, and more. Generally, the higher the coverage, the higher the cost. How does pet insurance work? First, you choose an insurance provider and select a plan that fits your needs. Once enrolled, you pay monthly premiums to maintain coverage. If your pet gets sick or injured, you visit any vet of your choice and pay the bill up front. Then you submit a claim to the insurance company with the receipts, either online or through an app. If the expense is covered by the policy, your claim will be approved and you will be reimbursed through direct deposit or by mail. However, you will not get the full cost back. How much you get depends on your deductible, reimbursement rate, and annual limits. For example, if you have a policy with an 80% reimbursement rate and a $200 deductible, and your vet bill is $1,000, you'd pay the $200 deductible, and the insurer would reimburse you 80% of the remaining $800, which comes out to $640. What are the types of pet insurance? There are three main types. Accident-only plans cover expenses resulting from accidents, like broken bones, swallowed objects, or injuries from being hit by a car. This could include hospitalization, medicines, tests, surgery, etc. These plans are the most affordable but won't cover illnesses or preventive care. Accident plus illness plans, also called comprehensive plans, cover everything that accident-only plans do, as well as expenses related to illnesses like cancer or diabetes, as well as chronic conditions, behavioral problems, etc. This is the most popular type, although it also has higher premiums. Wellness plans are usually offered as add-ons to the other two plans and cover preventive care like vaccinations, routine blood work, and dental cleanings. Some pet insurance may also cover alternative treatments like acupuncture, physical therapy, behavioral therapy, etc. If a policy doesn't cover them, they can usually be purchased as add-ons. However, pre-existing conditions, cosmetic or elective surgeries, and expenses related to breeding or end of life are usually not covered. Should I buy pet insurance? That's a great question, Super Cooper. Watch the video on your screen to find out. Thank you very much, Wall Street Willie. You're welcome, Super Cooper. Remember, finance is your friend.